welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm happy to meet you all again. Well, if before we have discussed about accent to enhance your listening skill, now let's try to discuss something that may sharpen your writing skill. Let's discuss about unity. Have you heard this before? Well, that's good if you heard this. You can use this video as your practice. But if you haven't heard it yet, I'm gonna help you to understand what unity is and hopefully your writing improves. So let's begin. Let's discuss the meaning of unity first. What is unity? Well, unity is union. Just kidding. But what does union imply for? Union implies for one, which means your paragraph only discusses one particular topic. For instance, if your paragraph talks about soccer, it has to be all about soccer. You can't talk suddenly about volleyball or basketball there. So your paragraph stays in one line. Let's see this paragraph. Is there any off-topic sentence you can spot? What's your guess? Well, it's this one. But why is the sentence off topic? It seems to be the same topic to talk about, right? About their apartment. But then why? Well, it's because generally the paragraph describes a person's apartment. But then suddenly, why did she or he mention about the reason of moving? It's not a description, is it? So now I think and I bet you have a better idea of what unity is. Why don't we try to identify the off-topic sentences in paragraphs? As usual, do you know what time is it? Yes, it's question time. So please identify the off-topic sentences in these following paragraphs. Good luck! Well, how was it? Could you spot the 3 off-topic sentences? Good, you nailed it! On the next video, I'm going to discuss about unity's friend, which is coherence, because they're always together. If you want to learn together with us, please consider to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below so you won't miss any updates from us. Plus, if you like the video, please also hit the like button. Till next time!